Hello Bashira, where did we stop yesterday? You are welcome to class. Okay, now today we are going to focus on these important libraries in data analysis which you will use in analyzing data. One, we are going to work with Pandas, Seaborn, and Matplots. Pandas is a library in Python programming language which is used for analyzing data, and also Seaborn is used for uh, graphical representation as well as Matplots. So we are going to analyze data and see how we're going to visualize them with Python today. So first of all, we are importing these libraries, and these libraries Google Colab have already stored them. It have all Google Colab have all the libraries. It's just for you to call them, which is VS Code or other IDE. You have to download all these libraries in some of the IDEs. So since we are using Google Colab already have all these libraries. So we import them as a short form. Okay, we import pandas as PD. So we don't want to stress ourselves to be calling pandas. No, we are going to call pandas as PD. So same with Seaborn SN, same with matplotlib as PLT. So today we are going to uh, know how we can mount our drive in our Google Colab, because without mounting your drive you cannot be able to um, upload your data set. So I already have my data set in my Google Colab. I already have it in my Google Colab. So now I will introduce you on how to mount your data set. First of all, you have to go to file here. You see, I have already mounted my drive. You see this icon, you say upload to a session storage. You see this one, refresh. You see this one on mount. I've already mounted the drive. So once I mount the drive, everything inside my Google Drive will be uploaded in Google Colab. So now I want to use a data set which is known as let me say student performance. I want to use a data set called student performance. So I'm searching for the data set now. I want to copy the path. So I will say now I want to upload my data set now. I will say df. I'm declaring a variable called df pd dot read. You read your data set csv, then bracket your data. Now you remember I copied the path. So since I copy the path means the directories. So are you in class? Are you hearing me what I'm saying? Are you hearing what I'm saying?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
So do you have an understanding about what I just said?
Yes. Yes, I'm
Okay.
following.
Okay. Now I want to load the data sets. I've already loaded it. I want to call the data. Now you know I've already declared a variable called df. Now the df is my data frame. Df is also known as data frame. I decide to name it as data as df. So let me call it. Once I call it, it will I'll call it and I'll give a head of let me say a head of 5. Okay, I want to a head of 5, so I want to give a good understanding of this head. A head means a head of 5 means bring out the first 5 datas in the data set. You have the tail. The tail set the tail you when you use the tail will bring out the last 5 item in the data set. So this is what the head is and the tail. So we are going to load it now. We are going to load it now. I'm running the data. The first 5 will be display. Now this is the data. Did you see this data we were working on the Excel before? Yesterday class, you see
Yes.
we were
No.
working on this
Yesterday.
before.
Yes.
Okay, this is the data. I just decided to upload it so that we can work on it. Now this data is a student performance where the female in different group. We have the group A, group C, group B, group A, and it has a row and a column. And so can you tell me how many column is here and how many row is here? Huh? Bashira, can you tell me how many row is here and how many column is here?
The full table is not showing. We scroll up a bit.
Is a full table. How many?
Let's
Okay, how
see.
many column? How many rows?
Rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 rows. Good. Now you know I told the system to put the first 5 on the data. This is the first
Yes.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rows. Uh, the rows is 5. Abi 5, and the
It's
column.
6, including the heading.
Yes, including the end is 6. The column is 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8 column, right?
9.
So now let me use the head, the
2.
df. Let me use the df. Okay, I'm using t. You see it will display the first 5 last persons. So the total number of students is
9, 9.
999. Hello,
Yes. Okay.
did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, now please can you give me a minute?
Okay.
So Bashira, I'm back.
You should have mute your mic.
Yes, yes, okay. So now this is the last 5 item, the last 5 item, and the number is 99, right? So
Hmm.
We are going to work on this data now. This data normally is not clean because we are not supposed to see this test complete, this test preparation course. We, so as a data analyst, you have to have an idea of what is missing, uh, of what is not okay in the data. And also, it's not every data you will drop or delete their rows or their column or rows. So when a data is not suitable for you, and it's not like the row or the column or the row is not okay, you have to drop them and make sure everything is well arranged, right?
Okay.
Now we are going to uh, perform a simple calculation right now. And okay, I don't want to go into calculation right now, so let me show you the basics. Now I want to print the, let me say, the information, the info info.
Info. I.
So once I run the info, you will see it will tell me the data type, the column. It will tell me how many rows and how many columns. You see, this is column, this is the number ID, and the data type. You see the D type.
Mm.
Did, did you see it?
Yes, yes.
Now you see not none. If there is missing value, it will show me there is missing value. Did you see it?
Okay.
And he
Yes.
said the total column is 8 column. This is the
8.
information. Dot df dot info means data frame
What
information.
frame information?
Right? Do you understand?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Now I want to show the columns. I will do it like this: df dot columns. When I run the columns, it will show me all these in a list. Did you see it?
Yes.
Did you see how many
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes.
is a column? And so I will also check for, I will also check for the, maybe I want to describe it to check if everything is okay, to bring the description of the data frame. Let's say this df dot description describe. Okay, when I use describe, you see it. Now I will, so once I use describe, you will see the results. I'm coming, let me check my errors. Okay, data frame do not have, okay,
Data frame.
I missed something. My describe is not correct.
Yes.
So I'm describing it now. Okay, did you see the description? Now it gave me the count of the data. The count is 1000, right?
Yes. 99
It's
1000.
1000. You know, it's 999, and the first number
Started
is
from 0.
0 in the index, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Look at the count is 1000, meaning there are 1000 students.
in total.
in total. You see the mean of the students, the mean
Scores.
in mathematics, in reading their course. So it will bring everything. You know why he did not he skip all this and go straight to the number part. He skip all this and go straight to this side. No. Why? Because since those parts are integer, it will just keep all this let's say let's say I've forgotten. Okay, it will just keep it because they are written word. Hmm? It will just keep it will go straight to the number part where
Numeric
they will
data.
work on the analysis. Do you get? That's why
Yes.
Python is easy to analyze data. So now we did you see the standard deviation of the
Yes.
of each scores, the standard deviation of each scores, the standard deviation of each scores. Now did you see the mean? You see the percentage, 75 percentage, the 50 percentage, the 70,
25%.
yes, why the maximum 100, right?
Yeah.
So now I can also do it like this. Let's say include include let's say object, let's say object, then I can say transpose t, or
Transpose.
uh, let's say t. Why my t is not working? Okay, t, let me see. Oh, I'm coming. I want to see something. Okay, I've seen it. Dot t transpose. Did you see it? Transpose. So I'm coming. Just wait for this to load. I don't want to go through that the full. Okay, now this is the transpose of it. Did you see? Hello?
Yes, yes, I can see.
But I can say, let me say this. Let me describe like this. I can describe like this, and it will give me the unique number, the counts, the frequency, and all. But let me use the dot transpose. Oh, okay, still the same thing like this. Hmm? So now we are going to, okay, now we are going to look on on, let's say we want to let's say we want to like drop a column. We want to drop a column. Hmm? Now I told you that this launch is not necessary.
Oh, you drop my coffee.
Hello?
Well, I go for it.
This launch is not
Yeah, not
necessary.
bad.
This
You don't
test
even know that.
preparation is not necessary. So I want to drop them. Okay? So let me drop them now. I will say df dot drop. Hmm? Okay? Did you see? Did you see why I said drop as this is equal to 1? Hello? Hello? Did you see what I'm
Yes,
doing?
I can see. I can see it now. I can see it now.
Okay. I just want to drop it now. Now you see I've dropped the launch. Now I want to drop the test preparation. Let me just copy.
Yes, preparation course.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I made mistake because the launch is still there. Why? Did you know why I made mistake there? I did not declare a variable. So I want to declare a variable here. I will declare a variable called df. Let's say df1 equal to. Now I will run, and I will print df1. Now the launch have been removed. Still the same thing apply here. I will say .df1. Now I will also say I will declare a variable called data frame. Data f. Let's say data f. So now I run again. When I say data f, okay. Now this is the data I've worked on. Now this is a data cleaning I just did now. Hello?
Okay.
This is a data cleaning I just did. I've worked with the data and the data is looking good, right?
Better than before. It's more organized.
It's more organized. Good. So I want to reset. Let's say let me reset index number. Let me reset the index number. Let's say data f. dot, let not okay, dot reset, let's say reset index. So I'm resetting the index and in place to be true. You see, now I want to
Okay,
call this.
data.
Yes, I'm resetting the index. Did you see I added another index?
Okay,
And
but the same thing.
yes, I just want to just want to show you how to reset a data set. I'm not working with this, right? I'm not working with this, please. I just want to show you. Okay, in case you drop in case you are working with data and you drop the index, you can reset index. Okay, now I want to drop the I want to drop the column. So I've dropped this. Now I want to drop the other index. Now I want to drop, so I will rename it. Now I want to rename. Okay, I just want to see if I can do it like this. If I can work on it like this. Okay, so let me test this data frame. Let's see, equal to df. Now let me see if I can work like this. Okay, then I want to drop the index and close it. It will definitely work. It will work by. Okay, now let me call the df. Did you see what I did here? Huh?
Yes,
So
yes.
can you explain this part?
You're declaring a variable called data frame to drop level O and index
Why did I
columns.
use this? Why did I use this bracket, this square bracket?
Square brackets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Different method.
Huh?
It's a
Okay,
different
okay.
method.
I use the square bracket to just like group. I just want to group them so that it will know that I'm dropping
Instead
two.
of doing there one one.
Yes, instead of one one. So,
Okay.
do you understand what I did, right? So,
Yes.
and have you seen it's easy to analyze data using Python?
Yes.
Which one is better off? To you, which one is better off
Sir,
to? To you, which one is better off to analyze data?
what are we comparing? Python and
Yes, Python on let's say Excel.
I'll say Python
Yeah,
because you don't have to remove manually. You give the command and it does it for you.
instantly good, and it you can run on one millions of data at a single time.
At the time.
Yes. So so
It's more automated than using Excel. Excel is very it's more manual.
yes. But though people still use Excel in analyzing. Hmm? Now, for us to okay, now we want to check for missing data. Hello, hello. Are you still in class?
I'm in class, yes.
I want to check for missing data. This is how to check. We use is now dot sum is now dot sum. I want to sum everything and check for missing data. Is none means is there any non data? I want to check. Now you see the gender there is no non data. The race ethnics no non data, no missing data. So I am good to go. I am good to go. So uh I want to check for okay. I'm still thinking of what to do now right now. Okay. You can also feel you can also feel maybe if there is missing data with something else. Do you understand? So I want to at least look on what to do next. Okay. Now let's go to the let's work on analyzing this data now. Okay, let me run this now. Okay, now let's perform our score. Hmm? Now we are creating a we want to create okay, let's say mean. Okay, let me
Sorry, can you go back? The screen went blank again.
I've not gone far. I'm still here. Okay, I want to like calculate the mean of all this and tell the system to create another column, another row called uh, grade. Then, if the mean of all this number is greater than 50, then it should say pass. But if the mean is less than 50, I'll tell the system to write fail in
Fair.
grading. So I want to do it now. uh, okay, so I want to, okay, I'm writing what I'm doing. We are working on a student record, you know. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now I want to create uh, the let's say I want to create a column, a role called grade. So I will say data frame, data frame, then wow, he already created it for me sef. Let's say total grade, let's say grade. hmm? I'm using grade equal to, so equal to MP. You see, I'm using MP. Why? And if I'm using MP, so I'm going to call my MP so that I want to avoid errors. Are you following? Hello.
Yes, I follow.
So I want to call my MP library so that I will not
Have any errors that you are running?
yes. So then
Yeah.
where mean, let's say, okay, where, let's say data frame, okay, is equal to 1. So I will say if it's less than 50, hmm, comma, it should print fail, comma, or pass. Did you see it? Just watch what I'm doing.
Yes, I can see it. That's in your face, so.
Okay, they say my data frame is not callable. Okay, my data frame is not callable. Why? Because I miss out something. So let's say dots mean. I did not put the mean. I was supposed to put mean. So you still in class?
I'm in class. I'm in class. I'm in class. It's still showing error.
Yeah, it's still showing error. It said I can only concatenate. So I'm debugging it. Want to see where I made mistake, and so I'll fix it. It's showing me that it's not integer to a string. So I'm trying to have a good understanding of it now. So why my error is displaying. Am I supposed to? Okay. Okay. So, yeah, MP. I'm coming. Let me call my data set again. Okay, let me do this now. Let me say total score. Are you still in class?
Yes,
Are you watching what I'm doing?
I'm trying it. Trying to follow.
The good thing is, what you want to do, Python, Google Colab already know what you want to do. So it will just be displaying it for you. So that's why it's easy for. Now let me call my data sets. Did you see this total score? Did you see?
Yes. I thought we wanted to get the average before.
Yes, I want to use it. Then I don't want to pass through the process of calculating everything. I want to use just this to check for mean, then passing. Just do you understand?
Okay.
I we use like this. Like I will just add everything up and get for me. No, I just want to use this one I've already added up.
The
I just want
total,
to
yes.
check for the mean. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
So let's go for grade. So so I'm still working on it though. Let's say R6 is equal to 1. Hmm. Wait, I missed out something. So, okay, I'll pass in a condition if 50, let's say 50, comma, Let me see. I'm coming on. I just want to rename. So I'm working on it. Just hold on. I will explain. Total is not defined. Okay. Did you see it? Hello?
Yes, that finally works.
It's finally work. Do you know why it showed that my this is not callable? My houses do not have a it do not have a as this one. So that's why I removed the as this one. It worked. So I've already graded it. So do you understand what happened there?
Understand the process?
Okay, now see, I created a column called grade.
Great.
Yeah, in data frame.
Mhm.
Then I said equal to numpy. I use the numpy to use the where function. I use the where function. I say where data frame is total, where this data frame is total. Hmm? I use the mean method dot mean. Did you remember in Python where we use mean dot maxi? You remember here, right?
Yes.
Okay. I said dot the mean. I said if the mean is less than 50, hmm?
50.
Huh?
Print fail. If
Uh-huh.
it's less than 50, print fail. Otherwise, print pass.
Yes. And this, we talk about list comprehension.
Yes.
This is just a comprehension of this code. Hmm?
Okay.
So did you see why the knowledge of Python is required?
It's very essential. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now I've graded it now. Now, okay. Did you see? I want to, okay. Let me show the mean of this. Let me created this without grading. Let me create a column called mean. Hmm? Let me drop a grade, or okay, let me create a colon called grade. Or should I drop this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, I
I want
can.
to rearrange. I want to drop this. We have the total. Then we are supposed to have the mean.
Mm.
Right?
You said you want to drop grade.
Yes. I want to drop grade. I'll still call it back.
You will drop and recall.
Yes. I want to rearrange. So I want to like the
Okay,
total.
okay.
Let's work with total, then mean. What is the mean? Let's maybe the person that is saying it see the mean to show that the person's pass. Hmm? Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
We just created a grade called pass and they did not see the mean. And the code, we work with mean in code.
Yes.
So I want to restructure it. So this process of restructuring is known as data. You have heard of data wrangling, data mog. These are the process. We are cleaning
Huh?
this data. We are
Data
cleaning the
handling.
wrangling. So now I want to. Okay, let me drop now. Drop. I want to drop total. Drop. Okay, grade. So so I've already dropped the grade, right? Hello?
Yes. It's noisy here. It's why I'm always muting the mic.
Okay. Now I drop it and I did not create um, a variable. When I want to call it, I will not be able to call it. So I want to create a variable now called data frame. So let me call it. So now we want to show the mean. Okay. Hello. Hello.
So
Okay, okay. I just want to know if you are still in class.
I'm here. The background here is noisy, so I mute the mic.
Okay. Okay. So, did you see what I did?
You use AI to generate the code.
You catch me. Wow, you know that is the life of a programmer. You cannot just stress yourself for too many. Okay, did you see? So now let me work on this now.
Okay.
We have this now. So I'll drop this now. This is where we will work on this now. You see the restructuring is it not better than before? Hello.
As we progress, it gets longer. Sure?
The the restructuring is it not better than before?
Yes. Now,
Hello. Are you still here?
yes, I'm here. Yes, it's better. And the structure is better now. I'm on my phone.
Okay. Mm, now, So I want to. Hello? Hello?
I'm here.
I want to reset this index to 1. You know it starts from 0. Did you see it? Hello?
Okay.
So I want to reset it. Now I'm using the reset. So I just want to reset it to 1 now. So look at it. I've reset the index, right? Hello?
I've seen it.
So data wrangling. Data wrangling is also known as data merging. Refers to the process of cleaning,
Data
restruct,
what?
muggling. Referred
Mo.
to the
Sha?
okay, let me start again. Data wrangling is also known
Can you
as,
please type it out? The network is breaking. I can't hear the word. Well,
okay,
sorry.
let me type it out.
Thank you.
So let's say restructuring, comma. So I'm still working on it. Let me, okay. So what I will type next? Okay. Restructuring, and are you getting what I'm writing, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not easy. To teach is not easy. So now, uh, so read it now. Read it now for me.
Data wrangling, also known as data monging, refers to the process of cleaning, restructuring, and enriching raw data into meaningful data.
So it includes tasks like handling missing data, dealing with outlining, converting of data type, transforming of data. So this process is known as data cleaning and processing. And we are analyzing our data now, and we have just gotten this the sample. Hmm? So let's let's do this now. Okay. Uh, okay. Let me go back again. Let me go back. I want to drop this. And I want to drop this. I want to drop this. We have gotten our total, right? I want to drop this. Now, I'm not satisfied with that. You know, we are dealing on restructuring. So let me restructure this data again. So we want to create something like this. Okay, let's run. I'm coming, I'm coming. I want to see my data first. Okay, now so we are going to work on mm, I'm creating another column called total average. Equal to so are you here with me? Are you still here? Are you still here? Bashira.
Yes.
So I'm trying to restructure. So my average is this. So it's not giving me the right average I want to use. Okay. Okay, we are talking about average, right?
Yes. Yes.
I just want to get the average. Wow. Did you see it? Yeah, this is what I want to do. This is average, divide by 2
Okay.
now.
Yes.
Hmm? So now I will do something like this. Let me copy this. Since since I've gotten what I want.
You can now include that.
Huh?
No, no, huh?
So are you seeing what I'm doing now?
Yes.
So I'm restructuring it to a better format. Did you see it now? Did you see? How, look at the data. How did you see the data?
This looks more like a report card now.
Huh?
It looks more like a report card now.
Yeah, more informative. Did you see? Unlike me
Yeah.
compiling, and I will not make mistake if I'm using code. Did you see it? Everything is just arranged
Automatic.
automatic. And did you see the percentage? The average, the total average is 70, 72 is pass. 8, 82 is pass.
It's hard.
92, you see 49. Did you see it's a fail?
Yeah, yeah. Instead
And
of introducing it yourself
if,
on Excel, this is easier.
yeah, did you see where the analysis is? The final part of Python program for data analysis.
Yeah.
Hmm?
So, yes.
So we have been able to organize the data, restructuring it and
The
cleaning in it.
structure, yes.
So
It's nice.
so what we are going to do next is try to visualize. So we only have how many days remaining for our class?
2 days.
2 days. During the 2 days, we are still going to work on data. We'll use the
Okay.
next 2 days to work on data, right?
Okay, yes.
Now, so let's now start our. Okay, I want to save this data. Let me save this data, and you will see how it will look when I represent it in Excel. Hello, are you still here? Hello? Hello, Bashira? Hello, Bashira? Hello? Hello, Bashira?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm here. Sorry.
Now I want to save. Okay, I'm working with hello.
I've used AI before, actually.
Yeah, I'm working with the AI. Why? Because more it's not every code I will remember. Do you know? And I will also advise you that AI tools is a tools that will guide you
I
in
should learn
your
to
research.
utilize.
Huh?
It's a tool I should learn to utilize.
Yes. So I've already saved it. I just want to know where it saved it to. So let me see. I don't know where it saved it to. Okay, I've forgotten the code, but let me utilize this. Let me. Okay. I'm coming. Let me see where I save it. So, oh, this is my data. Let me download. I'm sorry. I've downloaded it. Did you see? Hello?
Yes.
I don't know it. I already saved it. I was looking for it. So let me save it on my desktop. So now this is the data. I'm opening it in Excel. How did you see it?
Looking very sharp.
Very sharp, right?
Mm.
Look restructured.
Yeah.
And most times you see some big companies will like to you to organize their data. And if you want to organize their data, I will advise you to collect their data and give them a specific days you work on the data. At least if a customer or a person told you to analyze data, you not just analyze
Wash
it
it well.
yes instantly for them. No, it's not how they do things. Eh? You understand?
Okay.
You
It's
tell them
listening.
give me some days, I will analyze it. You will not just say that I will analyze it now, no, 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 no. It's not like that. You make your work look like as if it will take you time. You understand?
Yes, sir. Add value to your work.
Yes, I add value to it. You are correct. So now we are going to look on. Did you see how many people scored A in group A and B? We just want to categorize them, like sort them out now. Did you see? Hello? Let's categorize them. We want to categorize it now. You can as well as um, arrange them in ascending order, descending order. You understand? So so there's a word called group by. I'm grouping them to sort out to sort out the information. I can group two word. Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
So did you understand what I'm doing? Can you read this code? Can you explain it? Hmm? You, I think you can explain it now. You have idea. Just try. Or you can't. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sorry, I'm attending to that.
Can you explain what I just read? Like,
Um, we want to group data frames by race or ethnicity. And
okay, see, I'm grouping the data frame. You know the data frame is all our data. all our data.
Yes.
I'm grouping it by this ethnic season, and the size. You remember we talked about size, the size function,
Mm.
where it will count the size. Hmm? I'm sorting it in
Yes.
ascending order. When you sort out value, when you say ascending true, it means it will ascend it in ascending order. When you say false, it will ascend it in descending order.
Okay.
So I want to run it now. Well, did you see it? Did you see what I did now?
Yes.
And group A, I have 90, 89, 89, right? Group E,
Mm.
you can say group A score
It's the least.
is the least. No, you can just type group when you are doing your project too, because you are going to write on it. Group A,
You comment on everything you are working on.
yes, you comment on it. Group A
Okay.
as you present for me as if you are defending a project. Group A as the list number. Hmm? Y group C have the highest number. Okay, so I can plot it as a graph. Now let's start our visualizing. Hmm? Can we start now to visualize?
You said
Can we start to visualize now?
in this part.
Yeah, yes. So now I want to visualize. This is where our analysis come in. Our data visualization can come in. So I want to create a variable name called data data v, that's underscore v equal to, so you know now. So I want to plot. Hello,
Yeah.
how did you see our analysis?
Starting to look like economics.
Huh?
Starting to look like economics.
This analysis. Maybe your client said that they need
Just
a pictures of what you analyzed, so you can just visualize it. So now we are still going to we are going to work on so now okay, I want to get the gender and their average score. Gender and average score. Is it total average?
yes, it's total average. You
Okay. It says not callable. It's not callable. So I miss out something. I miss out something. So this is our data. So how did you see it? Hello?
I'm looking at it. I don't understand this one.
You did not understand it? Huh?
Network. Network.
Okay.
Why are you doing me like this?
Did you remember when we used this when you say that instead of writing out one column, you can just group them like
Individually.
that? Huh? Do you understand?
Network. Oh.
Are you hearing me? So are you hearing me now?
Ah, God.
Hello? 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 Are you still in class?
My network keeps logging me out. Like logging me out and he's kicking
Okay,
me out.
sorry for that. So now, did
Hmm.
you understand this part?
Yes.
Now, so since you are working with Google Colab, you can easily plot like this. You can easily plot by clicking, unlike other DL. Did you see? It gave us different plots. So I can just decide to add.
Wow.
Hmm?
Wow. That's nice.
I'm just showing you. You can also do it like this. So now we are going to work on, let me delete this part. We are going to work, so we want to work on our home now. See the percentage of range of female and male. Did you see?
Yeah.
So
Mm.
I want to show you all that before we call it a day. Before I overload you, should we end the class?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Yes.
So, okay, let's say good night and have a nice day. I believe you learned everything you need to know. Hmm? Hello? Hello, Bashira. Good night and have a nice day.